What if I told you there's a way to learn 10 times faster? No textbooks, no flashcards, no endless repetition. The CIA trains their spies using these exact brain-hacking methods, mastering new languages in weeks and memorizing entire files in minutes. And you don't need a secret handler or clearance level to do it, just an understanding of how your brain actually learns. This is how to speed learn like a CIA spy. Most people think learning means grinding, reading until your eyes blur, cramming all night, or watching tutorials that never stick. But your brain doesn't grow from repetition, it grows from connection. It thrives on patterns, curiosity, and surprise. So today, we're breaking down 6 spy-approved methods to unlock your brain's full learning potential. Step 1 is sleep learning. Yes, you can actually train your brain while you sleep. The CIA once experimented with hypo-learning, where agents learn languages by syncing their mind to theta waves. That's that calm, dreamlike state between being awake and asleep. In that zone, your brain stops filtering information and starts absorbing it directly into memory. Here's how it works. Before bed, play a low 4 Hz theta wave track and quietly review your notes or listen to an audio lesson. You can find these tracks here on YouTube. Over time, your brain begins to associate those sounds with focus and learning. Add a simple cue, like snapping your fingers every time you begin. That cue becomes your mental switch. Soon, whenever you snap your fingers, your brain automatically shifts into that same focused learning mode, even when you're wide awake. It's like building a neural shortcut for total concentration. Step 2, neuro-priming. Spies aren't trained in silence, they learn in chaos. Gunfire, alarms, shouting, they still absorb every word. That's because focus isn't about quiet, it's about control. The CIA trains agents to perform under stress because the human brain gets sharper when it adapts to noise. Psychologists call this desirable difficulty. Learning that's hard enough to strengthen your focus, but not so hard that it overwhelms you. To try this, add mild chaos to your environment. Background cafe chatter, city noise, or random alarms every few minutes. Gradually make it harder. Your brain learns to tune out distractions until you can focus anywhere, on anything, no matter what's happening around you. Step 3, the 5-sense memory trick. Ever caught a smell and instantly remembered a specific moment from years ago? That's not coincidence, it's biology. The brain stores sensory memories more deeply than words. The CIA used this to anchor information, linking smells, colors, and sounds to important data. Try it yourself. Chew cinnamon gum while studying, then later sniff cinnamon before recalling it. Your brain will re-enter study mode automatically. To take it further, use colors or sounds to mark different topics. Red for vocabulary, blue for formulas, and green for notes. Your brain starts linking each topic to a specific cue, like bookmarks in your memory. Step 4, the memory palace. This ancient trick has been used by spies, scholars, and memory champions for centuries. It's simple, your brain remembers places better than plain facts. So imagine walking through your home and assign a memory to each spot. Your desk could be your key formulas, your mirror could be your daily goals, and your doorway could be your motivational quote. Every time you picture those places, your brain retrieves the information attached to them. You've turned your environment into a memory map. The next step is interleaving. Most people stick to one subject for hours and forget it by tomorrow, but spies don't study that way. They use interleaving, short bursts of study on different topics, back to back. 10 minutes of one topic, then switch to another. It keeps your brain alert and constantly rewiring. Research shows this strengthens long-term retention and creativity because your mind keeps finding connections between ideas. It's like interval training for your memory. Step 6, the 4-week spy learning plan. Here's how to combine everything. Week 1, sleep learning, theta waves and focus cues. Week 2, neuro-priming, train your focus under stress. Week 3, 5-sense anchoring, use smell, sounds, and colors. Week 4, interleaving, rotate subjects for maximum recall. In 4 weeks, you'll notice faster learning, stronger recall, and deeper focus. Not from working harder, but smarter. Your brain will start craving challenge and novelty, exactly what it was built for. Why does all this work? Because emotion and novelty are the engines of memory. When something feels new or meaningful, your brain releases dopamine. It's its way of tagging information as important. That's why curiosity is your greatest learning tool. Every trick here sparks that curiosity in a different way, through sound, color, motion, or challenge. That's how spies train their minds to remember under any condition. These techniques aren't magic, they're neuroscience refined by necessity. If you use even one of them, your learning speed will multiply. Because real learning doesn't have to feel like a grind. It should feel like discovery. So go ahead, train your mind like a spy. And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who still studies the old way. They'll thank you when they're fluent in French. Welcome to the new way of learning, CIA style.